Taskfeed templates save you a lot of time and help you standardize the way projects are tracked. Every time we work with a new customer, we go through the same process. So I used a template that has all our onboarding tasks predefined for us. When I create a new board, the tasks will also be created automatically. Each task will have the correct start date, assigned categories, roles, and checklists. Let's see how we did this. In this demo, we will show you how to define a task template source file using a spreadsheet, upload the template to Taskfeed, and then see the task template in action when we create a new board. We will start by defining the task template as a CSV file. This is done using a spreadsheet outside of Salesforce, like Excel or Google Sheets. Just like any other spreadsheet, the first row has the column headers. They each represent a task-related field, so you can use the field labels or their API names when creating your template. Each column represents a different kind of value or functionality. To give you an idea of the fields you can include, let's see what it looks like when you create a task manually. This is what a task card looks like in Taskfeed, and these are the fields. You can predefine as many of these as you like, but let's start with the basics. The name field is where I list all my tasks. In the spreadsheet, each row in this column will be a different task. Then we have the list name. Use this field to sort your tasks into different lists on the board. But there's a lot more that can go in a template than just a to-do list. You can schedule tasks based on the date the template is used, or based on related dates from Salesforce, like opportunity close date or a custom date field. You can also set a task duration and a lead lag time between task dependencies. You can even assign team roles to each task and break a task down into multiple checklist items. So the next step is to save the source file in a CSV format. If you're working from Google Sheets, you can download the sheet as a CSV file, or if you're working from Excel, we recommend saving a copy as a CSV file. Now that we have defined our task template source file, we can upload it to Taskfeed. And then I'll show you how easy it is to amend your template when things need to change. Find the Taskfeed Templates tab. From Lightning, choose the App Launcher, or from Classic, select All tabs and then select Taskfeed Templates. If you do not see the Taskfeed Templates tab, then you should ask your Salesforce admin to assign you the Taskfeed admin permission set. Click New to create a new template, give your template a name, and select the template format. I'm creating a task template, so I'll choose Task. Now select a board type. I'm choosing onboarding because I want this process to be the same for every new customer that we work with. Every time we create a board with the type onboarding, this task template will be used. If you do not want your template to be imported automatically, then set the board type to None. You can then choose to import this template manually. You can provide a description, but leave everything else unchecked for now. And click Save. Now I'm going to upload the source file. Click Choose File to select the spreadsheet from your computer. Then click Upload and Validate File. You will see a preview of the file on your screen, and if everything looks correct, click Active to make the template available. Then save the record. Now the template is ready to use. Let's see it in action. Now that we have defined our task template source file and uploaded to Taskfeed Templates, I'm going to create a new board that has that task template in it. Select the Taskfeed tab, then click Create New Board from the left menu. Give the new board a name. I will select the onboarding type here. If you remember, this is the board type we selected when we defined our task template. You can also link your board to an account or an opportunity if you like. Then click Create. You can also add team members to your board or do that later. I'm going to add my colleague, John. And there we are. All the tasks we defined in our task template have now been created for us automatically. Each task has been assigned start dates, labels, roles, and dependencies from the template. To make changes to an existing template, go back to the Taskfeed Templates tab. You can access all available templates from a list view where you can inline edit a template's name, a board type, activate, or deactivate it. Select an existing template if you need to make changes to its source file. You can download a copy of the CSV file if you don't have the original source file in your computer anymore. Then make the necessary changes and upload again. To learn which fields you can use and how they work, look for more videos in our template series and read the task template cheat sheet in our help documentation, where you can also download a sample task template to get you started. Thank you for using Taskfeed.